I can still feel your sense. Cooking me some food, waking me up for school, and to say my blessings.